Today was the final delivery. We presented the client the report, all the work we have been doing. We had to research the competitors of our client, and we have been traveling all around the world in order to get all the information useful for our client and for the future.
Altogether, all 6 of us, we spent more than 600 hours doing this project.
Mr. Labrosse is a really busy person, and we appreciate the fact that he actually took time off to come and meet us.
They did it. They perfectly understood that it was very important for Parrot to deliver good ideas. They were not students, they were professionals. The result is perfect.
I think I learned a lot, particularly working with people of other nationalities, other ways to solve problems, other way to approach.
Everyone was able to manage their own part, and each one of us is able to help each other when they are struggling in some way.
That's make this whole experience a lot more fulfilling in that sense.
I would like to put this in my CV because it's a great experience.
Even though it was challenging, it was still something that I would do again.
I will totally recommend this course to anyone.